Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Coach Lottie and this is my craft show I'm doing today. Just sharing with you the things I have made. I do take PayPal and Venmo. Got a lot of baby hats, some knick-knack. You can put your keys and your change in here. Knick-knack basket. I got slouchy hats for adults. I got bookmarkers, and these are baby headbands. A lot of people like the octopus without the keychain. I got headbands. I have some hanging. I got pigs with wings, eye clops, illuminating dolls. And let's go over here. Also make some handbags. These are, they have lining in them. Some scarves and some masks that I sewed, and some kids' masks. It's supposed to be a camera. Hi everyone, this is Coach Lottie and I'm actually at a craft show, and I'm sitting on my chair, and this is my booth. Show you my animals I've made.
You make those pickle things, isn't this where you got the little food? I don't think they were set up yet.
Now I'm gonna make a. Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dainty Crafts. This is Crochet, and actually I'm at a show right now, and this show is in Huntington Beach. So you can see my display here. I'm at the Arts and Crafts Show, Old World German Village, and it's 3 times this month, on the 7th, the 14th, and the 21st. It's from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I'm inviting you if you're in the area. I live in Long Beach, in Orange County, not Long Beach. I used to live in Long Beach, everyone, but I'm in Orange County, and this is my booth. And I make lots of animals, amigurumi, as you can see, keychains, and this is Dainty Crafts, and I do take Venmo and PayPal, credit card. Come on over. I'm inviting you to come over and join me. All right, have a great day, guys, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel, my crochet channel. And finally the sun is out, but this is my small booth. I usually have a bigger booth, but thank you. Call to action, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.